What's up, guys? We're here in Elite Sports Cards. We are doing the team randoms for Pristine Case number 3. So I'll do one timestamp here. We're live. 138. 138 here in Denver. We got all the names here. Copy and paste it twice and all the teams here. So we're going to go 3 times on each list. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, and 3. Dubs! You're on top times 2 and on bottom times 2. Look at you. And for the teams, 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Buffalo and Colorado on top. Tampa and San Jose on the bottom. Well, Dubs, you got one really good team. All right, I'll scroll through this. And there are your teams, guys. I'll do one last timestamp. 139. 139.